Welcome to Time Traveler. Here you will find latest travel news, trekking and travel plans. If you are planning to travel, then you should know the latest travel news. So let's get started. 1. Ayodhya to get a international airport named after Lord Ram by 2021 end. Ayodhya has been one of the significant pilgrimage and heritage destination in India. However, with the construction of Ram Mandir in progress, it is set to gain a more prominent place as a tourist destination. Reportedly, along with the Grand Ram Mandir, the Uttar Pradesh state government is also planning to materialize more projects to boost tourism in the state. News has it that Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath has declared that a new international airport named after Hindu deity Lord Ram will be made in the city very soon. The Yogi Adityanath led up government wants to finish the airport project by December 2021. Okay, so that's all for the first news. And coming to second news, it comes from Himachal Pradesh. That is, tourist littering, flaunting safety norms worries local as Himachal Pradesh open for tourism. Let's see. Now that the Himachal Pradesh government has removed COVID-19 restriction on entry of tourists from other states, hundreds of people come the state over since, and more are expected to visit in coming days. Tourists in huge number have already visited famous hill stations as well as pilgrimage sites like Jalwa Devi and etc. News has it that the people working in the tourism sector want the government to reimpose the requirement of COVID-19 negative report to enter the state. The police should take the fine on violator of COVID-19 rule at public place. Okay, that's finished the second news. So coming to the third news, it came from Mumbai, Wankhede Stadium. Then Mumbai popular Wankhede Stadium might be open for public tours soon. Mumbai iconic Wankhede Stadium would be open to tourists for tours. The stadium has hosted many crucial cricket matches including the 2011 Cricket World Cup final when the Indian team lifted the trophy. Referring to this, Stadium Tourism Minister has announced that the Mumbai Cricket Association (MCA) that manages the stadium has already given its principal nod to open the stadium for tours. As per the report, MCA has already announced that it will be launching a museum to showcase the stadium where India won the World Cup final by beating Sri Lanka in 2011. So that's it for third news, and going to fourth news. The fourth news comes from Hawaii. Hawaii became the happiest state in America for 2020. In a world where people are petrified by the ongoing pandemic, the naturally socially distanced beaches state of Hawaii has become the happiest state in America in 2020. The same has been revealed in the study conducted by Wallet Hub. The website looked at each of 50 states with 32 metric and Hawaii topped the chart. New Jersey, Maryland, California, North Dakota also made it to the top 10 list respectively. Fifth news comes from Goa. Goa's Dudhsagar waterfall opens to trekkers. Goa is not confined to just beaches and spice plantation, for it is also home to gorgeous Dudhsagar waterfall. Now that the travel restrictions in Goa have been largely removed, tourists plan to throng the site very soon. According to the report, adventure organizations from Karnataka and other locations have booked trekking to the waterfall this weekend. In addition, jeep safaris to the waterfall would also open soon. Dudhsagar waterfall in Goa is accessible through a trek via the railway tracks. Coming to the sixth news and today's last news, Saudi Arabia cancelled travel to and from India as COVID-19 cases rise. In a major development, Saudi Arabia suspended all flights to and from India due to a spike in coronavirus cases in the country. Besides India, it has also cancelled air travel to and from Brazil and Argentina too for the same reason. Not only this, the government has also barred people with travel history to any mentioned countries 14 days prior to their arrival in Saudi Arabia. The General Authority of Civil Aviation (GACA) of Saudi Arabia said suspending travel to and from the following countries India, Brazil and Argentina, including any person who has been in any of the mentioned countries in the last 14 days prior to their arrival to the kingdom. Meanwhile, India is experiencing a surge in COVID-19 positive cases almost every other day. As of now, there are 5.3 million plus cases in the country. So guys, that's all for the video. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to press the bell icon for future videos. And if you want to know the full details of the news, then go to my blog, link in the description below. Thank you so much.